Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got such a nice little truck to show you here. We just got this one in over the weekend. My son actually drove this from Phoenix all the way here. It's about 1,650 miles. And we had a Chevy SSR little convertible pickup truck in the back of that truck. So he drove it here loaded. Absolutely no issues at all. So this is a 2009 Ford F750, and that's about a 16-foot stake body on there, and that is an all-steel stake body, including the deck. So you can load that, take those stakes off, load it with a forklift, whatever you got to do. And this is why I love the federal government trucks. Look at this. You can still see the little moldings on them things. Goodyear tires, holy mackerel. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7 tires, all Goodyears on this thing. You know, there's $4,000 worth of rubber on this truck. It's absolutely unbelievable. Nice little 2,000-pound power lift gate, and that's one of those lift gates that goes up and sets itself up on top there. Acts as a tailgate for you, and of course it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Probably don't want to get your finger in the way of that. That way it might leave a mark. Got the little hooks on the bottom that you can put your straps on. And it's got a really, really nice clean FMB toolbox on it. And I actually have the key for that. So you can put your straps or whatever in there and lock it up. That looks like, we'll call it a 50-gallon fuel tank. I think I'll be pretty close without looking it up. And it's got all the mirrors on the side, and of course, this is what we always like to show everybody. This is what you're buying. Rust-free truck. Brought this truck in from Arizona. You aren't going to get much more rust-free than that. Look at the floors on that truck. 3-passenger seating. It is a 6-speed manual transmission. You can probably hear the Cummins running. So that's got a 6.7 Cummins in it. Yep. Front tires on it are just like brand new. There's your tow hooks. Nice little unit. Got a little bit of clear coat issues on the top there. For some reason, this little forest green paint always seems to want to do that. And yepper, you're right. Forest green's a good name for it because this was a federal government truck. We obtained it from the Federal Forestry Division. Man, this thing is clean. Look at here. You never see this on a government truck. This has got the, I don't know if that'll show up on film or not, but that's got the lumbar and the side, and it's got the air over hydraulic air seat in it. Absolutely spectacular truck. That is a 25,999 pound GVW. So that is a non-CDL truck. Tilt wheel, cruise control, that's just a power switch for the tailgate. Air conditioning, of course, little stereo system in it, and that is a 6-speed manual transmission. But look at this here. And yes, you are reading that right. That is 20,757 miles. That's why we take them from the government, because that's the only way we get any of our money back. It's like getting a tax refund. Spectacular. Let me shut that buzzer off. Spectacular truck. Super, super clean, which it should be for 20,000 miles. Uncle Sam has kept this in perfect condition for you. All you got to do is come down here, Henderson, Tennessee, and you can pick this truck up from us right here at HD Trucks and Equip. Super clean. Super, super clean truck. So that's a 2009 Ford F750 Super Duty, and if you can use that truck, 16 foot all steel stake body, if you can use that truck, you can feel free to give me a call on my cell phone, which is 602-510-5444, and as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.